4.5 billion years ago, the Earth was born. A beautiful blue planet that nurtured countless life miracles and prosperous human civilization with its inclusive and compassionate nature. However, since the first industrial revolution, excessive consumption of traditional energy by human beings has led to rapid deterioration of natural environment, greenhouse effect, vegetation loss, and frequent extreme weather, all of which are seriously threatening the Earth's ecology stability. The sustainable development of humanity is facing the dual tests of environmental degradation and gradual depletion of traditional energy. Hydrogen, featured by clean, environment-friendly, renewable, easy to store, and high energy density, is known as the ultimate energy source in the 21st century. With the advancement of technology, hydrogen has gradually integrated into our life, widely used in fields such as energy, transportation, industry, and healthcare, driving the transformation of industrial structure and forming a new industrial chain of hydrogen ecology. Today, let's welcome the upcoming Hydrogen Society together. The household heat and power cogeneration system is a pivotal part of the smart microgrid, composed of distributed solar power generation system, hydrogen producing systems by water electrolysis, and hydrogen fuel cell power generation system. At night, hydrogen storage is used as energy source to generate electricity through fuel cells, supplying hot water and power via the cogeneration system. At daytime, the distributed PV system on the roof is used to generate electricity. Hydrogen is produced by water electrolysis systems using PV electricity. This not only guarantees the storage of electricity at night, but also refuels the household fuel cell vehicles. Excessive electricity can be uploaded to public power grid, achieving energy interconnection and alleviating power shortages during peak periods. Hydrogen-powered vehicles represent an important feature of the Hydrogen Society. Unlike traditional vehicles, FCVs are powered by hydrogen fuel cells, abandoning internal combustion engines. By inputting hydrogen in the storage tank and oxygen in the air into the hydrogen fuel cells, a chemical reaction occurs. Chemical energy is converted into electricity to power the vehicle. The entire process is of low noise, zero pollution, and zero carbon emission. The only product is pure water. This greatly reduces the environmental governance burden. In terms of performance, hydrogen FCVs have stable performance and are easy to maintain and repair. At present, mass-produced FCVs can be refueled with hydrogen in 3 minutes, enabling a range of over 700 kilometers. The next generation of FCVs can reach a range of over 2,000 kilometers, with fuel cell life of more than 500,000 kilometers. The hydrogen vehicle industry chain will become a major pillar of our economics. Hydrogen Station has the multi-functions of hydrogen production, storage, and refueling for FCVs. Hydrogen Station can utilize wind energy, solar energy, and low-valley electricity to produce hydrogen on-site through water electrolysis and to provide high-pressure storage for FCVs. Compared with traditional gas station, Hydrogen Station eliminates intermediate tanks, such as oil and gas transportation. Thus is safer, more reliable, and environment-friendly. The hydrogen-powered light rail vehicles have a high speed per hour, only take 3 to 5 minutes to fill the hydrogen tank and can run hundreds of kilometers. Deploying hydrogen-powered light rail vehicles can greatly alleviate urban traffic congestion, reduce exhaust emissions, improve urban environment, and can operate conveniently and safely. It is a beautiful landscape in the cities of hydrogen society. Hydrogen fuel cell UAV has long endurance and is widely used in the logistics industry due to its strong power system and stable flight capability. In addition, UAV can assist the police in conducting security patrol, on-site monitoring, quick evidence collection, and other work, not only bringing convenience to our lives, but also guarding public safety. The heat and power cogeneration system installed in office buildings completely meets the heat and power need inside the buildings and ensures the electricity safety. During holidays, the surplus electricity can be uploaded to the public grid to supply the other electricity consumers, avoiding energy waste. Hospitals undertake special social functions, such as medical rescue and healthcare, only by ensuring the safety of hospital electricity. The safety of patients' lives can be ensured. When hospital is equipped with heat and power cogeneration system, the safe operation of the hospital can be guaranteed in case of power emergency. On the other hand, the high-purity oxygen produced by the PEM Electrolyzer can meet the oxygen demand in medical activities. Meanwhile, high-purity hydrogen can be supplied to the hospital's hydrogen sanatorium, since hydrogen is the best antioxidant. Through hydrogen treatment, or choosing hydrogen-rich health products in the hydrogen sanatorium, free radicals in human body can be inhibited, preventing cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and other diseases, serving a good role in medical care. When large-scale natural disasters, such as earthquake occurs, the urban energy system will be paralyzed. Large public facilities, such as sports venues, serve as shelters for citizens. The heat and power cogeneration system can continuously supply hydrogen and oxygen via solar or wind energy to ensure the supply of electricity and hot water for refugees using fuel cells. Hydrogen storage tanks can also be sent to disaster sites. When full loaded, they can meet the basic electricity need for on-site personnel for about 10 days. Large hydrogen stations are equipped at ports and docks to meet the hydrogen demand of hydrogen-powered ships. Large hydrogen storage tanks are installed on hydrogen-powered ships for energy supply during voyages. The utilization of hydrogen energy enhances the throughput capacity of ports and makes water transportation more efficient and environment-friendly. Hydrogen makes the innovative concept of floating island hotel come true. At daytime, the floating island relies on wind, solar, and tidal power energy to generate electricity. To ensure the electricity demand on the hotel, the surplus electricity is used to electrolyze seawater to produce hydrogen. At night, the fuel cells consume hydrogen storage to supply power for the floating island hotel. Such set of self-sufficient energy supply system enables people to truly realize a perfect ocean holiday. The organic fusion of hydrogen and other renewable energy can make remote areas with inconvenient transportation self-sufficient in electricity, greatly improving the life quality of local residents, providing impetus to local economic development, and creating huge hydrogen industry clusters and boosting economic growth. Ordinary water can be converted into clean energy. This readily available and inexhaustible resource has finally bloomed with brilliance in the 21st century, reserving energy for every day of urban life. In the hydrogen society, we bid farewell to haze pollution, embrace blue skies and green spaces, live a happier and more harmonious life, and have a healthier and more robust economy.